Today, I'm going to go through the 6 ways you can get rich through social media. Before I break down the strategies today, it's important to decide whether you want to be a creator or a manager.
Yes, my friend, like every day, I have done my AI homework, analyzed the whole video and the business model for you so you don't have to. I have done the SWOT analysis so you know the strengths, the weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of this business model. Are you ready? If yes, give me a like. No, I'm joking, you can like later. But if you really want to learn how to make money using AI, you should subscribe to my channel. You subscribe to a lot of funny cat video channels, right? They give you entertainment, I'll give you information. Together, you'll make a lot of money. And in case you're really serious and you want to make money with our help, 99% done for your system, click the link in the bio. That is a shameless advertisement. I do this a lot because my program is awesome. Beginners are making money. Anyways, let's get to the content. This is a 6-step system called Create. Let's go. First, you gotta choose a niche. Sounds boring because everybody says that, but it works.
First strategy is become a UGC creator. If you've logged onto Facebook recently, 99.99% of the ads are what are known as user-generated content.
It's kind of like product review videos. You get access to a product for free. Then you use that product and record the process. Looks like a real user is using the product and recording his reactions. This works as a review as well as a testimonial. And the real users can imagine themselves using the product. Works super well for brands. That's why so many brands nowadays are investing in UGC or user-generated content.
Process works like this. A brand reaches out to a creator and sends them a product. The creator films about 3 to even 10 clips of them talking about their product, preferably their honest opinion about how the product functions. The creator will sometimes actually edit the videos into a fast-paced Facebook ad.
Or sometimes they will send the raw clips to the brand owners. They will edit, they will use however they want. In any case, the content creator gets paid for creating the content. And as a bonus, they get access to a product for free. Imagine getting access to a free iPhone 16. Do you think Apple will send you a free iPhone 16? But remember, this starts with a niche. You can only become an expert in one niche at a time. And brands on that niche will love to contact you to get access to your followers. All right, that takes me to self-advertisement again. Oh, I can't stop advertising because our program is really so good. If you don't know how to build your followers organically, naturally, like raving buyer followers who sign up to your mailing list, who receive mails from you, buy from you, and become your raving fans, then you should really check the free video training in the description if you are watching this from YouTube. If you're watching from my website, there is a button somewhere near this video. Click that button, check the free training. We will transparently show you what we do and how we help beginners grow their traffic and following and help building a passive, genuine side hustle organically. It's a free video training. You're not gonna lose anything if you watch, and you will definitely lose the knowledge we have shared step by step transparently in that video if you don't watch it. Link is in the description. The second and third steps are already done. R for record your reviews and E for edit and deliver the clip. Now, when you don't have a following, then you know how to get following. Basically, you learn from my program. At least watch the free video, you will learn how we do and what we do. Now, your second question is, in order to make money, you need brands to reach out to you, give you some work, sign a contract, and send you a free sample of the product so you can review. How does this happen? I love the strategy Davey shared here.
Money from this strategy. There's actually lots of ways. The first is you can become a creator yourself. To get your first client, what I would do, on my Instagram name or Twitter name, write UGC creator. So when people actually search it, your name will pop up.
Let's try and see whether it really works. I'm gonna search with UGC creator and hit enter. And yes, I got some results, but it's probably because I'm on computer. I can see a lot more results when I searched using mobile app. Tap this see all and you'll see tons and tons of UGC creators. But to be honest, it's very limited. Oops, my bad. I was searching on the chat. I should have gone here and search UGC creator and hit enter. Now you have tons of results. If you are Muslim like me, you want to take care. There are lots of girls here. This all girls really. Okay, go to accounts and see UGC creator and UGC, tons of UGCs. Yeah, literally unlimited. If you are a brand owner, you know how easy it is to find UGC creators, right? Well, that takes me to another question. With so many people creating UGC content, can you really make a lot of money these days? Doesn't it look like there are tons of competitions? Especially like when you are a man like me, brown skin, black beard, and a big belly, do you think people will hire me as a content creator? Or they will hire this beautiful woman? So what are my chances? Which means, what are your chances as a UGC content creator, make a ton of money and basically replace your 9 to 5? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. You know, that's why I personally chose digital products with AI as my main business model. And we were able to teach our method to our complete beginner students who earn high ticket affiliate commissions from digital marketing and using AI through our program. And a lot of these guys are not attractive like those female UGC content creators. They don't need to be, because all they do is use AI and learn skills super fast. Then they make simple and short videos. They publish those videos on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. And they don't need to worry about going viral with their videos. Virality is not important. What's important is the value they can share with their videos. And it was all possible because of AI. AI makes the whole process super fast. Now, these social media channels are literally in a war with each other to get attention from their audience. So they send you viewers for free. All these viewers are directed to an AI-powered automated sales funnel. This sales funnel does the selling on our behalf. And when there is a sale, we earn passive affiliate commissions. All these technical things that you are seeing here are completely done for you, for our students, by us. So our beginner students can enjoy making valuable contents with or without showing face using AI and enjoy passive commissions. Yes, of course. Link in the description will get you a free training where we show you transparently how we use AI, how we use affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing, and help beginners just like you and earn passive income. And inshallah, eventually you will be able to quit your day job. I'm not sorry for the self-advert. If you don't like, don't watch my videos. But I put my life's work into this program. We literally give away everything to our students. So I will talk about it all day long, whether you like it or not. If you don't like it, feel free to go and watch funny cat videos. And I can guarantee you those cat video makers will make money at the expense of your time. So don't go anywhere. Keep watching till the end. Wink, wink. Here is another interesting advice from Davey. Well, I don't much recommend that, but it can give you a kickstart when you are just starting.
At that point, you could even buy some of these fake products that you often see running these type of ads, similar to kind of Woody, or you can just go to what's called the Facebook ads library and search some of these brands.
So you basically make 10, 20, 30 content around the products that you see on the ads. And this way you build a portfolio. So when brands find you or you reach out to brands, they see you as a potential UGC creator and you'll get more chances to be able to sign a contract with them. It's not faking or not lying. It's basically showcasing your skills. I don't think it will work immediately, but it will definitely build confidence in a potential client's mind when they look for content creators. And hopefully when they choose a content creator, you will get priorities.
Once the portfolio is there, you can attract way more clients and send them to clients when they ask for it. Now, what if you don't want to be on camera because you're just far too attractive?
Honestly, this doesn't make sense to me because probably you're showing face everywhere. Are you not? Are you not going to grocery store, shopping malls, cinemas? You are talking to everyone, showing your face to everyone. The only problem you have is when you show your face on your phone, your own phone camera. Does it even make sense? But let's say your case is what Davey said. You're just like me, far too attractive. You'll have no option. You have to hide yourself. I'm with you. I'm your friend. Then look for content like this and model them. And honestly, while checking a product, I don't care how the user look like. I care what the product does, whether it does what I want or it doesn't. So ultimately, even faceless videos will work perfectly. At the end of the day, you're making money from the product owners or the brands, not directly from customers.
Collaboration can create 10 different ad variations, so they need a cheap editor. One UGC creator, we might create 10 ads from their footage. You can reach out to some of these brands if you've got some editing skills and pitch $50 to edit together some variations of their UGC ads.
That takes me to what I told you before. Use AI and learn valuable skills. Like what Davey is saying, video editing. Look guys, even I make videos. My students make money making videos. And you can make money using videos. Simple video editing skills. Using softwares that has AI or learn fast using AI. That will make you tons and tons of money. So no matter what you do, focus on AI and focus on building skills fast. The next step is test effectiveness of your content. If people watch them, like them, share them, and if you're lucky some of them go viral, you know what's working for you. At that point, you have more chance to land clients and make money. So always test different formats of videos and double down what's working and getting you results. And the last step, guys, expand through networking. Social media networking, email networking, Reddit, Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, and even local events. When you have valuable skills, whether it's simple editing skills or you have a following, even if you don't have anything, you just have a high interest to learn, work, and make money. When you network with those people who are crushing it already or who are involved in some kind of advertising, you will find a connection, land some clients, get some work, and make money. Does this sound like a lot of work? Yes, it is a lot of work because life is not easy. And life is not fair. And there is no get rich quick scheme. And there is no push button profit system. If they existed, everybody and their dogs and the dogs' neighbors would be billionaires by now. Everybody would be driving Lamborghini, spending most of their times in sea beach or pools, but it doesn't work that way. So yes, it's a bit of work. I apologize for that, but I'm happy to say that we have a better and an easier solution. It's simpler and way easier, and it is called affiliate marketing. And if you really want to know how our beginner students are earning high-ticket affiliate commissions with a 99% done-for-you system, then there is a link in the description to a free video presentation below this video. Or maybe you'll find a button if you're watching from my website. Click that button, it will take you to the complete free training video. And trust me, you will not regret watching it. If you want to learn how to make $680 per day, easy money from your phone, then watch this video. And if you want to learn how to make $15 per app download, then watch this video right here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and switch on the notification bell button. And if you think it's a good video for your friends and family as well, feel free to share with them. And we'll see you in the next video.